It is not even really fall yet, but everyone's hooting and hollering about their fall decor, so we're gonna go check it out. And we're only gonna go check out the fall decor because I've got to return, and Mama's got to return what I got to Marshall's. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna go to Marshall's and return this dress that I bought that I really don't really love, and scope out their fall section, see what's going on. I'd love a little fall scented candle, even though I'm not really the big, fall person. There's a police officer in front of me. I think I know this police officer. I don't want to wish away my summer, but fall is inevitable. And I also want to say that I got the wrong lane. Fuck, that's not what I wanted to say, but I got the wrong fucking lane. This cop has a rubber ducky on the back of his truck. It's a bike cop. I don't know why I said truck. I hope he doesn't pull me over for doing whatever I'm about to do. Fudge sickles. I just went and got my nails done, and I go in. I tell her I want a aura nail, like a berry, like a fun berry, and I showed her this design. They're called aura nails, and I was like, this is what I want. And she was like, I can do it. I should have trusted my gut. I should have trusted my goddamn gut and went just back to my neutrals. I'm a neutral girl. I get nudes, neutrals, like very like polished, classy, whatever. I don't really do a whole lot of color. It grows out and I don't really like it. But I was like, let's transition. I want a berry. I'm feeling a little bit fun. And she was like, yeah, I can do it. I did not transition to a cute little fall girl. I'm a vampire. I am a full-on vampire. She didn't take me to early fall. She took me to almost goddamn near Thanksgiving. She took me to full Halloween mode. This is not what I wanted. The pastels. This is what I got. That's the TikTok audio that needs to be voiced over me right now. No! I just want to show you one more time, like close up. What? Vampire? I don't know what I'm upset. Okay, anyway. We're on a tight budget this month, okay? I'm trying to go unemployed for 2 or 3 months starting in January to pursue my dreams, okay? My travel contract with this physical therapy company is up, and your girl's trying to go full go on the content creator situation, okay? We're going to start making money. We're not trying, we're doing it. Anyway, we're on a tight budget. Should I be spending money now? No, absolutely not. But I have a return, and that's how they get you in the store. That's how they do it. But honestly, it's a me problem because I was a poor shopper. I should have tried the dress on before I left, but I didn't. They might not even take it back. And honestly, store credit, free money. Free money. I can't believe my nails look like this. I'm so fucking pissed. Okay, let's get in here. Check this out. We got a sleeper. Niner. His wife's gotta be in the store. Oh my god, my hair is disgusting. Lock, bitch. These people are staring at me. Okay, whatever, fuck it. Here's my Marshall's fit. Here we go, baby. Let's do this. Damage control. Dun, 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 dun. First thing when you walk in, shoes. Tell me why. I already have these shoes, but I low-key want to buy them again because I bought them I bought them a size too big when I was here. And I don't know why I did that, but I don't really wear them as much because they don't really fit. I want to find something suede. Okay. Shoes. Cute. So fucking cute. $25. Too fucking big. Okay, bitch. I put them on. Do you ever try on a shoe and like you don't like them from the top? Like, what do we think? Sometimes I put these shoes on and they kind of give me like bowling shoe vibes. Or it's like a smaller size. It's like I'm returning something, so I must get something. Free money, I already bought it, basically. Now I'm faced with a brown kitten heel. Same price. Same fucking price. Super cute. Oh, I love a good kitten heel. Can I go back to the front door and get a cart? Yeah, the answer is yes. But to be fair, I got a mini cart. This is me and my mini cart. I'm so fucking hungry. But I can't stop shopping. Oh, motherfucker. Take this off. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Is that diva of me that I want a new hand soap because I'm out in my bathroom, but I want it to be in a glass bottle? Oh, that's pretty nice. It's just not potent enough for me. They're all fall fucking scents. That is not going to translate to year-round. White pumpkin? What the hell is a white pumpkin smell? It smells like a nice hunkin' man. 2 pairs of shoes in my cart. That's it. That's fucking it. We haven't even made it to the fall section. Okay, nothing for me there. I like these pumpkin towels.
Attention Marshall's customers. Did you know you can be saving money for
I just want kitchen towels.
You could get 10 and earn 5% back every time you shop. I know what it's
Sing it, girl. Fun little fall colors. We found the mug section. I want a fun mug. I don't even use mugs that much. I don't need a mug. Okay, here we go. We're getting into fall decor. This is more like Thanksgiving. I don't want turkeys. Gobble gobble, bitch. They start the candles. My problem is everything here is like low-key really tacky. Like, we don't want this. We don't want this. We don't want this. We don't want words. We don't want words, although it does match my nails. Boo. Literally. This is a candlestick holder. We want minimal, neutrals, classics. What is this? No. No. Oh, shit. Pumpkin snickerdoodle? Fuck me up. I feel like one of those girls that's like, hi, I'm an interior designer, and I'm going to tell you what not to buy from Marshall's. $15. And it's a wood wick. Pumpkin, cinnamon, ginger, almond, brown sugar, vanilla. Done. I don't know what to do with this, but I like it. I have to get it. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait, how much is this bitch? $100. Just a casual $100. And he's so plastic he will break. You might as well get one of those jumbo ones in your yard. Wait, look. Yes. Oh, it's only $40. I don't know where the fuck I would put this, but I'm obsessed with him. Her, maybe. We will be sexist because she's pink, but let's look at her pelvis. No, that's a female pelvis. And I know because I'm a physical therapist. Do I need to spend $40 on a skeleton? Feet? Oh, these are her feet. These are her feet. I've made it. Let's, oh, how did I almost miss the candles? More candles. Too much. Too much, but nice. Apple orchard. My knees hurt. Creak, creak, creak. Like, people have to smell these candles before they go out on the lot, right? It's gotta go past more than one person. That's nice. That's nice. All right, no luck. I got a candle and towels. Boring. All right, now I'm just looking to look. I don't need anything else, but I'm like hoping, like I'm crossing my fingers. I'm hoping I find something. Do I need clothes? No. Did I go through the clothes section? Yes. Am I gonna go through it again? Yeah. We're here. We're already here. I'm hungry. You really gotta comb through these suckers. Here's like one with suede on it, but it's an ugly yellow. No one wants yellow. I could get these. I need you to be my mirror. I'm attached to a cord. I can't fucking go try this on in a mirror. Why did they do this to me? How am I supposed to see what I look like? Entering the danger zone. They always get you on the way out. So I'm gonna sneak behind you and check out the snacks. Okay, we leave. We leave the store. Can you believe I was in there for like an hour and a half? I mean, yes, but... And then the girl like basically almost forgot to give me my bag upon leaving. I spent $70. Okay, so it was $108, but with my return, that gave me like $38 or something. So then I only spent like $70. So really not bad, basically on shoes and a candle, if you're really thinking about it. That's what it was. A couple of new towels. I have to go to the grocery store. And I have to go home and cook. Sounds horrible. Things are coming along on this week's fall-inspired episode of CC Goes to Marshall's. Everything in there was gaudy and tacky and not up our alley. There's so many people in cars in this parking lot feeding babies, or like there's one right to my left, like zhuzhing a baby so she stops crying. I'm not sure if they're feeding or what. And there's another one over here to my right, and then there's another just girl, like, car door open, foot propped up on her phone. A lot of people in their cars in the Marshall parking lot. I'm still fucking pissed about my nails. I'm so mad about my nails. Maybe I'll get over it. I gotta go fucking eat. I love you. Bye.